A meeting of officials of the Territorial Commission on Combating Human Trafficking was held in the building of the executive body of the state local authority of Darvoz district. The classification of human trafficking as a crime among other particularly serious crimes, its danger, and its psychological impact on the victims of this crime were reflected in the speeches of the Commission members, and the distribution of a booklet against human trafficking became a good source of information for the audience. By assessing leaflets on combating human trafficking, activists and other segments of the district society were informed about the legal remedies they can use if they encounter criminal acts or are likely to become victims of human trafficking. Like other residents of the region's districts, after becoming familiar with the promotional materials of the campaign to combat human trafficking, with various photos and images that directly depict the horror and details of this dangerous crime, the attention of the residents of the Darvoz district was drawn even more. Organizing a campaign against human trafficking, the ways and means by which suspects recruit citizens to the crime as reflected in propaganda leaflets is of particular importance for the younger and older generations. Distributing the campaign booklet in hotels, restaurants, to drivers and passengers, door to market and shop vendors, and to workers and builders is a useful legal guide. Today, a major conference on combating human trafficking was held in the hall of the executive body of the state local authority of Darvoz district. Representatives of the public and district activists participated in the event. Speakers discussed the issue of human trafficking and the harm it causes. Of course, we organized a meeting with residents of all the district's villages and discussed this issue. In the future, we will certainly conduct outreach to our citizens and children living abroad. At the same time, we will intensify our anti-trafficking efforts and hold more meetings. Today, the world is becoming increasingly tense and unpredictable, and organized crime groups are using every means to lure young people, especially young adults, into this maelstrom. The primary victims of human trafficking are young people, women and children. It should be noted that these criminal groups specifically target this segment of society to achieve their own selfish goals and advance their own interests. To this end, according to the plan of the executive body of the state local authority of Darvoz district, meetings are regularly conducted with residents at the village level, as well as with representatives of educational institutions in collaboration with the law enforcement agencies. This issue is raised with residents because, through such meetings, we can convey the essence of the fight against human trafficking. It should be mentioned that by causing harm and damage to this undesirable phenomenon, we can prevent this devastating crime.